Step App.
देखिए, देश के भविष्य का निर्माण हमारे बच्चों की पढ़ाई से ही होगा। उस पढ़ाई को इंटरेस्टिंग और रिवॉर्डिंग बनाने का काम किया है स्टेप ऐप ने। ये स्टेप ऐप प्रवीण त्यागी जी हमारे साथ इस समय हैं और इनकी 400 IITians की जो टीम है, मेरी तरफ से उन सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई और शुभकामनाएं।
Welcome to Step App, Student Talent Enhancement Program. Step App is a gamified learning application that provides a personalized, interactive, and adaptive learning experience.
We have created a gamified format of learning for children, and it will ensure that the basics of the children are clear before coming to the class, and they are at least having an awareness, and we are having an awareness whether the child is taking interest in his studies or not.
Concepts are broken down into the smallest possible units of knowledge. Animations help you visualize and grasp every detail of a concept. Learning and assessment go hand in hand in a gamified format, where the students' speed and accuracy determine their performance. The dashboard offers real-time performance monitoring. All stakeholders receive a dashboard tailored to their specific needs. On their respective dashboards, students, principals, and policymakers can monitor both macro and micro-level analysis. The leaderboard displays rankings based on students' performance. Bloom's taxonomy mapped quizzes and tests feature a vast question bank in multiple formats, such as MCQs, true, false, subjective, and more.
With this vision, with this philosophy of providing the best quality education to the remotest child at the most affordable price in a fun way and make him earn money, scholarships which he can use for his own further education was a very big dream, and I must say 400 IITians and doctors who worked with me for last 5-6 years on this content creation, all of us have created a solution, a new age solution for this country in the form of Step App.
बच्चों को गेम्स के थ्रू पढ़ाना एक बहुत ही इनोवेटिव स्टेप है, तो मेरी शुभकामनाएं। वेल डन स्टेप ऐप, एंड थैंक यू सो मच प्रवीण जी फॉर दिस वंडरफुल इनपुट। थैंक यू। नमस्कार।
Make learning fun with Step App.